Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, this is for you Hirono fans because we're going to unbox a full set of Hirono Shelter and we're going to do a secret hunting at the same time. So I'm so excited to share it with you. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! Before we begin with the unboxing, for those who never had any collection or not yet started collecting Hirono Shelter, let me show you the mother box that it looks like a wooden structure. And this is the top part of the box. This is the other part which has the lineup of the 12 confirmed figures, and you might get a secret which has a probability of 1 over 144. So this one looks so artistically done. So let me show you the single boxes that we have now. So before I'm going to begin with unboxing again, let me give you a recap first because before this is actually my first ever Hirono, my first ever collection of Hirono, but I never completed the series, so I have few pieces of the figures. That's why I'm unboxing now this full set because I'm going to complete the set or the series, and I'm going to do a secret hunting. So let me set aside the boxes, and if ever I'm going to get a duplicates from what I have already in my collection, I'm not going to open the foil. I'm just going to show you the art card and show you the figures that I have. So, let me show you the single box. Look how beautiful the artwork of Hirono. It really gives the artistic side of the artist. And this is the lineup. They have the birdcage. Let me give you the recap of what I have, okay? So I have the mantle clock, I have the poet, the circus, I have the traffic cone, I have the cabin. I guess I have the cabin, right? No, I don't have the cabin yet. I have the alien, I have the birdie, and sunny doll. Yeah, so I'm missing the bird cage. I'm missing the candle holder. I am missing the fort, the cabin, and the warrior and the secret. So let's see. I'm going to open this one at the bottom part and let me show you the art card. This one's quite light, very light figure actually. So this is the art card. One, two, three. Oh, the poet! I have this one already. Look how beautiful the artwork of Hirono Shelter. It's very mysterious. It's black and white. It's like a black and white painting. So let me show you the actual figure of the poet. I have this one already, and this Hirono is like hiding in a shelter of a card box that um, with the illustration of like a a businessman wearing a suit. He is holding this cup of wine with the cane that he's holding. So this is Hirono at the back. He's a poet. He's wearing a an oversized long blue shirt, and he's holding this book, and he's hiding at the back of this cardboard. And this is the typical looks of Hirono with this red orange hair. They use an eye chip with this one. He has these brown eyes with some freckles and blush on his face. Very cute Hirono actually. This is the first time I fell in love with this collection. So, what can you say about the poet of Hirono? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with the second box. This one is another light figure. Like it's a full light figure actually. By the way, guys, the secret here is stuffed bear. So I'm crossing my finger to get a secret. So let's see the art card of the second figure. One, two, three. Oh, the alien! I have this one also. Let me show you. So this is the alien. It's like he's wearing like a metal pot. This is a metal pot, like a cooking wares. Uh, there is a design of the spatula, like I don't know what you call this one, like a scooper, and this is like a I forgot what you call this one. There's some light with here on the top of the helmet, and he's wearing this metallic uh UFO like figure. And actually, I bought some stand for Hirono so that he can stand properly. He has this green hair, green eyes. Actually, this is one of the best of Hirono Shelter. One of my favorites because of the color of the eyes and the hair. I believe he's the only one has this green hair and eyes. So, yeah. What can you say about the alien figure of Hirono? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our third box. This box is quite full, so I don't know. We might get maybe the circus or birdie, I guess. So let's see. So excited because I'm so excited to complete the series. Oops. Carefully. Oh. Oh! Told you. I guess this is birdie. Let me show you the art card. We got birdie. One of the chase. Let me show you the birdie that I have. This is birdie, guys. Look how beautiful, how intricate the details of the feathers. This is one of the best chase or one of the beautiful figure of shelter of Hirono. Look how beautiful the feathers, the eyes of Hirono here. There's some bell on the antler of Hirono. Look at the backside. Very nice, very good quality figure. One of the best. So you will definitely like this one if you want to collect Hirono Shelter. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let's proceed now with our fourth box. And we started getting or unboxing the figures that I have already. So let's see this fourth figure. So I'm missing 5 figures from this series. So let's see if we are able to get those. And this is the art card. One, two, three. Oh, birdcage! This is the one that I'm missing, so I'm gonna open the foil. Okay, so let me show you the foil of Shelter Hirono. Very mysterious foil. There's a branding of Hirono here. So, our first unboxing, actually. One, two, three. Oh! Look! So, Hirono is hiding in a bird cage. Actually, it's a broken cage with a golden color or paint, and Hirono has these blue eyes. If you can see, it's actually dark blue eyes, and Hirono here is the only one, I guess, that has a white hair, and he is covering himself with this blue blanket, like the outfit of Merlin with some stars patches here, like the cotton is poking out of the blanket. The cage is kind of broken. So look how beautiful and intricate the details of this one. So you will definitely love this, guys. This is the bird cage of Hirono. If you like this, please comment down below. Let's proceed with our fifth box. So let's open this one up at the bottom part. Let me show you the art card first. One, two, three. Oh, Circus! I have this one already. Let me show you. So this is Circus, guys. So Hirono is hiding in the circus tent. Look, the details and the color grading of this one. Very nice. It's like an old tent of the circus. If you are familiar with the circus tent, you will definitely like this one. So Hirono, I believe, is one of the performers of the circus, and he's trying to cover himself with the tent with this red flag on the top. Hirono here has this yellow with some touch of red hair, and the eyes actually it's not brown but looks like a maroon one. And he's wearing this striped shirt with a stars belt. and some, you know, tattered jeans. Very nice one. And this is the fringes of the tent. Very cool. You will definitely like this one as well, guys. If you want this, you can comment down below. We're almost halfway through, and let's proceed with our six box. So this one is quite heavy, actually, not that much. So let's see if which is our next figure. Where's the art card? Let me show you the art card first. The art card is, oh, I see it now. The spoiler. This is the traffic cone. Look how beautiful the art card. Let me show you the traffic cone. Okay, look how cool Hirono here. He's hiding in a traffic cone with some barbed wires. Look the details, guys. Very nice one. Actually, I'm not sure, and I don't know why traffic cone is less likable in this series. But look how beautiful this one. This one is magnetized. This don't cross. I guess this is like, I don't know, pump in the toilet pump. Very cool one, actually, right? I like the color combination. Hirono here has some bruises on the eyes. Look how beautiful and details the cheeks, the freckles, the blush. Very cool one. He looks so grumpy. Look, the finishing of the traffic cone, it's glossy. Very cool one. What can you say about traffic cone of Hirono? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our second box. So let's see. We're not getting the secret. I want to get the secret because I like the stuffed bird, by the way. Our second figure. Let me show you the art card first. One, two, three. Oh, Sunny Dal. I have this one. This one of the best, actually. Let me show you. Look how beautiful Sunny Dal here. He looks like a ghost with some traffic cone as a cap or a hat. And he's covered with this white, I'm not sure, white clothes. So this is Sunny Dal. This is like a ghost, white ghost. And you can actually use this one as a pendant because there's a hanging part here, like where you can put some string and hang it on your bag. And the details of the rope on the neck of Sanidal here with yellow boots. I actually like this one. Very simple but very mysterious, very cool figure. I like the baby blue hair of Hirono here. The eyes is blue as well. Very cute. I actually like this one. I actually like the color combination. It pops up the eye color of Hirono here. So you will definitely like Sunny Doll of Hirono Shelter. Let's go now with our 8 box, and let me open this one at the bottom part again. Oops. Let me show you the art card. One, two, three. Oh, Fort, I guess. Yeah, Fort. I don't have this one yet. So let's see. Let's open the foil. One, two, three. Oh, look how beautiful. So Hirono here is hiding in a castle. It's a tower of the castle. Look the details of the bricks of the roof. It's kind of dirty bricks, gray bricks, and this is the tower, the castle tower with this door and the windows. Very cute one. Hirono here is like trying to poke out of the tower castle. Very nice. You will definitely like this one. It's so simple. Not so much of my favorite from this lineup, but this one is very artistically done, very cute, and you will definitely like Fort as well. And if you do, please comment down below. Before I'm going to proceed with our 8 box, let me give you a recap first, okay? So we got the bird cage, we're missing the mantle and the candle holder. We have the poet, we have the circus, we have the fort, we have the traffic cone, we are missing cabin, We have Alien, we have Birdie, we are missing Warrior, and we have the Sunny Doll. So we only have four looking: the Warrior, Cabin, Mantle, and Candle Holder. So let's see our next figure. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh, it's so hard. Let me show you the art card. One, two, three. Oh! This is Cubby. We don't have this one yet, so let me show you. And here's the foil for you. One, two, three. Okay! Look how beautiful! Ha ha ha! So this is cabin, guys. He is hiding in this cabin, and he's wearing this one as a dress. Look, the bricks on the roof. Actually, it's not bricks, like a wooden bricks. And this is a chimney, and there's a smoke coming out like a ghost. Let me show you. It's like a ghost, and he's so confident here, wearing these red boots. Look the details of the cabin with the door, with the back door, the front door, and these are the windows with some light. I really like this wooden cabin, guys. He's so cute and looks so grumpy and so confident here, and you will definitely like this one. Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our 10th box. 10th box actually. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Our 10th box. So let's see our 10th figure. Let me show you the art card first. One, two, three. Oh! The mantle clock. I have this one already, guys. I'm not going to open the foil. Look how beautiful mantle clock here. He's hiding behind this clock, and you can open this door. Look. Wow. This is one of my favorites from this lineup. You can see here shelter, the design of the clock, the hands of Hirono is poking out with some, he's wearing this one sock here, white socks, and his toenail is poking out. He's like a baby hiding here on the mantle clock. Look how beautiful. No, number 0427. I guess this is the date where Hirono was created. So look the details of the wooden mantle. Very nice one. Ah, okay. There's some written here. Don't disturb me. It's not so visible, but there's some written words here. Don't disturb me. It's written in red font or red ink. Very nice. What can you say about Hirono Mantle Clock, guys? Please comment down below. We are down to last two boxes of Hirono Shelter. So, I guess we're not getting a secret here. We are missing the candle holder and the warrior. So, let's see. Our 11th figure. One, two, three. Okay, we got the candle holder. We don't have this one yet. Actually, this is one of the chase from this series. Very lovable figure. So, one, two, three. Oh! Wait, I'm missing the light. There's no light, guys. What the heck? I'm missing the light of candle holder. Oh no. Yeah, it's not here. I'm missing it. What the heck? We are missing the light of candle holder. Oh goodness gracious. So guys, actually this is one of the best figure because look how beautiful Hirono here is like a melted candle, but we are missing the light, which is the you know, one of the accessories of Hirono. So anyway, we're going to find this one. I'm not sure why it's not included in the box, but this is the candle holder. Sorry to say, but we are missing that one. And if you can see the details of Hirono here, even the hair of Hirono is like a melted candle. Very nice one. I actually like this one, except for the missing part. So, what can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. So, we are down with our last box, and I believe this will be the warrior because you can shake this one. I believe the stuffed bear is not shakeable. So, let's see our final figure to complete the set or the series of Shelter Hirono. I'm sad that we are missing the light, the candle light, an actual candle light of candle holder. So, our last figure, guys. One, two, three, and we got the finale, which is the warrior, the cardboard boy. Look how beautiful the details. He is one of the cardboard boys of Hirono. He's mimicking a warrior, and the armor of Hirono here is made of cardboard. You can see here there's a lot of doodles here or written words like shelter, to meet enemies, undaunted, stay alert. So this is like the shield of Hirono. Keep what can you say? Keep out. Yeah, that's keep out. What are the other words here? Voracious animals. This is for very nice one. One of the beautiful figure of Hirono here. So let me show you some inclusions. The inclusion is like this. Uh, a bone of a human bone. He's holding this one as his like a weapon. Let me put this one here. He's holding this human bone as a weapon. And this is the art card. Definitely very cute and adorable. What can you say about the warrior of Hirono Shelter? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog, the complete set of Hirono Shelter. If you can see, the bottom part are my top favorites. And if you have other favorites rather than mine, you are free to comment down below. And if you had fun watching this vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye!